How to sell your NOTCOIN in Tonkeeper Wallet. For that, you need to first of all launch your Tonkeeper mobile application. Then here you will have two options in order to sell your NOTCOIN. In the first option, you can either send your NOTCOIN into any other exchanges like Binance, Bitget, OKX, and from there you can select the pair of NOTCOIN/USDT and you can sell it there. If you want to sell it in the Tonkeeper wallet of yours here, then you can tap on the buy and sell option. Then you need to select the sell option in the top right hand corner of the screen. Now here you will have the third option that would say sell note. This is basically we are looking for. So you need to tap on the merchant provider and tap on the sell option. After that, you will be landed on the merchant's official website where you need to put the amount of NOTCOIN that you want to sell, and then you need to select your currency in which you want to get your money. After that, tap on the sell option over here and it will redirect you on this page where you need to first create your account on it. So provide your email address, create a strong password, and then you just have to select a payment method that in which you want to receive your money. Then you need to follow further instructions in order to successfully sell your NOTCOIN in your Tonkeeper wallet. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one.